Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to yet another video on Jasmy here. Wanted to make an update. I covered this yesterday, of course, but wanted to make an update because we actually did see some significant bullish breakthroughs or breakouts. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on whether you should buy a Jasmy here, or whether it's a good idea, or at least what I'm waiting for, because in the end, it's your own decision, right? But yesterday, what we talked about in general is that we actually saw momentum coming in for Jasmy for the first time in a longer period of time. I mean, we had already started some sort of a bullish market structure here, but by breaking above 2.15, that really accelerated. And then over the course of the day, the acceleration continued, right? We broke above this level here at 2.25, and that was very much the main level we talked about yesterday. 2.25, that is the 382 fib of this entire move down. You have the 200 EMA there on the 12-hour time frame. If we are able to break above that, which we did, and so far we've been able to hold it as well, then that's a good buy opportunity. Now, personally, at this point of time, I have not bought Jasmy yet. And in general, and I might actually stick with this, like, I do think the market structure for Jasmy has turned bullish here. So I am bullish on Jasmy, and I think we will remain bullish. The main reason why I'm not buying right now, and that might be a mistake from me, right? To be fair, it might be a mistake, because if you look at Jasmy right here, we gained a lot of momentum, of course, over the course of Monday. Then yesterday was relatively quiet, but still bullish momentum continued. And then now you can see that there's early signs of new momentum coming in. So Jasmy, like, everything looks bullish here. The main reason why I am not buying yet is because, well, we are still at a strong resistance level here at 2.35 cents. The entire resistance level is between 2.25 and 2.35 cents, so we haven't fully broken out yet. And I am slightly still worried about a pullback from Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin is still bullish, but momentum and volume are both pulling back a bit here, which is not great, because if you actually want to see a continuation of strong bullish momentum, you need both volume and momentum. So that's why I think that there's a realistic possibility of Bitcoin pulling back here, and that is going to pull back Jasmy as well. And then the ideal entry in my eyes would be some sort of an entry right here between 2.2 and 2.15 cents, basically retesting that area. So then if we drop down there, like, personally, I think we could drop down all the way to 2.07 cents and still be bullish. That's an area where I would be interested in buying. I think that's technically a great support level, tons of confluences as well. And then from there, we'll continue going up. But this is what I'm waiting for, all right? But like I said, and that's also what we saw over the last week, this might be a mistake because the markets are still bullish. Jasmy is bullish, so there's no guarantee it pulls back here. If Bitcoin pulls back, Jasmy will pull back. And otherwise, if it doesn't pull back, I will probably enter if we break above 2.5 cents. That's what we briefly talked about yesterday as well. 2.5 cents. Like, sure, we have already gotten some significant bullish breakouts, and the structure with those breakouts has turned bullish. But to really on the daily time frame to really get into an uptrend, 2.5 cents and a break above that would really guarantee that, almost guarantee that, all right, as far as there are guarantees in crypto. So then I would probably wait for that or chase it a little bit higher, all right? So that's what I would do if I was wrong. Ultimately, that is what I expect, right? So that move into 2.5, 2.55 is what I expect. Whether it's a continuation from the levels right here or with a pullback, I would say it's a little bit more likely at this moment that we will pull back before going up there. But you should be prepared for both scenarios. All right. So those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.